So welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm simply going to share how you guys can pass test ones easily. Okay, so this guide is for chemistry for both first and second semester, as well as math for both first and second semester. All right, so these are the few tricks that you can apply, okay, or that you can do in order for you to pass these test ones easily. Okay, so here I have said how to pass chemistry 1001 easily. Okay, so you're writing chemistry on Monday, which is 10th March, okay? And the coverage is on measurements, atoms, molecules, and ions, the mole and stoichiometry, and then we have solutions stoichiometry, we have chemical reactions and redox reactions. Okay, so how can you pass this test easily? Okay, so the first thing you have to revise the quiz one that you wrote, okay? Revise the quiz one that you wrote, and then revise tutorial sheet one all the way up to tutorial sheet 5. Okay, so tutorial sheet 1 was on the measurements, the atoms and the ions, okay? And then the last tutorial sheet there is on the what? The redox reactions. So make sure you revise all those tutorial sheets. And if you need help, we have videos on all those, okay? The quiz 1, even the tutorial sheet. And then also revise some past papers, okay? For this course. So we have a lot of past papers on our website, solved in written form and also in video form. And then don't forget, okay, master some definitions, those important definitions from your what? From your lecture notes. Right, so this is how you can pass chemistry 1001 easily, okay? And then how can you pass math 1001 easily? Okay, so this will be written on Tuesday, 11th of March, and the coverage is from sets all the way to quadratic what? Functions. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to revise your quiz one, the one that you wrote this year. Okay, revise the quiz one. Make sure you're able to answer all those questions. Okay, we've answered this quiz one. It's there on the website. If you want to access it, you can just simply register using the link in the description. Okay, and then also solve all the questions from tutorial sheet one, all the questions from tutorial sheet 2, and then in tutorial sheet 3, you're going to solve all the questions up to quadratic functions, okay? Don't waste your time solving cubic functions. It's not going to come in the test, okay? It's just ending on the quadratic functions. So we have solved all those questions in the tutorial sheet and the videos there on our website, and then also revise the past papers, okay? You can revise the test one that your friend lost last year and the other years. Okay, we have written solutions on our website and we also have videos. Okay, and then the last thing, okay, that you guys don't take note of is to master the definitions from your lecture notes. Okay, so this is what would differentiate the A+ students from just the normal student. Okay, so if you're able to master those definitions, okay, you are also able to apply the mathematics that you learn, you're going to get very good marks. But most of you just focus on the solving and you forget the definitions. Okay, if you forget the definitions, then you're going to lose some marks somewhere there. So they can define a function, define a one-to-one function. Okay, what is the set? What is a reflexive relation? You have to know those. Okay, what is an onto function? You have to know. Right, so this is how you can pass Math 1001 easily. Okay, remember we have all these on our website. You can simply watch them, okay, and you learn fast, learn quickly, and you'll be able to pass your test one. Perfect. All right, so we move on to chemistry 1002. So this is for semester 2 students, okay, semester 2 students. You're going to write these tests, okay, on Thursday, which is 13th March, okay, and this is the coverage here. So amino acids, peptides, proteins, collagen, and elastin, hemoglobin and myoglobin, enzyme kinetics, carbohydrates, nucleotides, and nucleic acid, and what? Lipid. Right, so how can you pass this easily? The first thing, revise your quiz one. So we've solved the quiz one, it's there on the website, you can access it, okay? And then revise tutorial sheet 1 to tutorial sheet 6. Tutorial sheet 1 was on the amino acids, okay? And then tutorial sheet 6 was on the lipids. So we've solved all those tutorial sheets. They're there on the website. You can access them, okay, both written and video. And then also revise some past papers. So we also have some past papers there, written solutions, video solutions. You can access them. And then remember to understand, okay, for chemistry 1002, understand the definitions, and then also master some of them, okay, because most of the multiple choice questions, they're going to be testing you if you understood, okay, those definitions that they were giving you in the notes. So make sure, don't ignore the notes, master the definitions, read the notes, and then you'll be helped like that. Okay, so if you'd like help, please don't hesitate. Okay, you can just check the link in the description. It's going to show you a video that shows you our registration guide. Okay, and then the other one is going to take you to our website. You can register there, and then you can access all these things that you want here. Okay, we also have topic lessons on our website, so you can access topic lessons on the enzymes, okay, the carbohydrates, the lipids, and henceforth. Okay, all right, and then the last one is Math 1002. Okay, so this is the beast of a course, okay, because it's about statistics and probability. Most of you are just getting introduced to this thing. Okay, so there are confusing terms there. Draw the plot blocks, the plot box, I mean, okay, the stem and leaf plot, okay, frequency tables, commutative. It's confusing, okay, polygon frequency, diagrams, relative frequency, okay. So you're going to write this course on Thursday as well, 13th March, okay. The coverage of this test is from collection of data all the way to the Poisson distribution. Okay, so I must mention that for you to pass this course easily, first of all, revise the quiz one that you wrote. So I've made a video on that already and I've uploaded on the website. So it's there. Okay. Two, revise tutorial sheet 1, tutorial sheet 2, tutorial sheet 3, all the way up to tutorial sheet what? 4. So if you're able to solve all the questions in those tutorial sheet, I can guarantee you that you're going to pass your test 1 easily. Okay, there will be no problems. Okay, and then 3, you can revise some past papers. Okay, so we have written solutions and video solutions on our website. You can access them from there. And then again, the most important things, definitions from the what? From lecture notes. Okay, definitions from the lecture notes. You have to know when they tell you define a probability function. Okay, define independent events. Okay, defined conditional probability. You have to know, explain how you can use this data to get, explain how you can use maybe systematic sampling method, okay, to collect a certain sample. You have to know those things, guys. Okay, so don't shy away from your lecture notes. So read the notes, understand the definition, and then master them. Okay, so they're going to help you in your what? In your test. All right, so this is how you can pass all these courses easily. Okay, so as a demo, I'm going to show you what we have under this chemistry course, and it's the same for all these other courses. Okay, so when I come here, you see this is our website. So if you are registered, on top of the course, it's going to read enrolled. So I'm going to show you a demo on the chemistry for semester 1. So if you are semester 2 Apex, you go in this folder. But if you're semester 1, you go in the general chemistry. Okay, so you open this general chemistry. Okay. Okay, once it's open, you have these folders. Okay, here there are lessons and tutorials on each topic that you've learned. Okay, they are there. Here they are handwritten notes. Okay, you can access them very well explained. Okay, and then here the tutorial sheet and assignment. Here there are past papers. There are lab report samples. So you want to check out the tutorial sheet, you come here in the tutorial sheets. Okay. Yeah, and then you are going to find different universities. So you pick your university, which is what? Apex. Okay. Once you pick Apex, you pick your intake here, which is what? 2025 intake. But if you want, you can go in 2024 January or 2024 July. Okay. There are also useful information there that you can revise. Okay, the tutorial sheets. But just go in the 2025 since it's your intake. Okay. And then here we have written solutions. So when you go to the written solutions there, you're going to see we have the assignment 1, tool sheet 1, tool sheet 2, tool sheet 3, tool sheet 4, tool sheet 5. Full solutions. So you can pass through the written if you want. And then if you want video solutions, you come to the video solutions. Okay. You're going to find assignment 1 video, tutorial sheet 1, tutorial sheet 2, tutorial sheet 3, tutorial sheet 4, tutorial sheet 5. So we solved all these. Okay, so you can access all these tutorial sheet, watch them, and you'll be able to pass your test easily. So these were the tutorial sheet. What about if we say we go to the past papers? Okay, so you go in this folder for past papers. So past papers there, you enter in that folder, you go to your Apex, okay, and then you're going to find written and video. So if you go to video solutions, okay, so your quiz 1 paper is this one here, okay, this one here, where I say 2025 quiz 1. This is your quiz 1. So you can open it, you start watching. Okay, there are also some past papers on the final exams and all these other quizzes for the previous intake. So you can use them to learn. All these videos, they are there uploaded for for you and for your simple revision. Okay, so these are the the video solutions. You can also check out the written solutions. Okay, so when you click there on the written solutions, you're also going to find the written solutions here. So all these, we have uploaded them for you. Okay, so don't fail, guys. School is easy. Okay, if you need help, please don't hesitate to register with us. You can check the link in the description. Okay, it's going to give you a video, okay, which is going to show you the registration process. And then afterwards, you can click on the link for our website and then you register for yourself, okay? And then you can access all these and then you'll be able to pass your test 1 easily. Okay, so I've shown you the secret. It's up to you to take it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and I wish you all the best in your test 1s.